been on this fish for an hour and a half now.
Oh.
What do you think, Dante?
I think this is a big son of a bitch, and it's still taking on. This thing is unnatural. I think it's giving me all it can give me. I'm still here.
There you go, 6 inches at a time.
I thought fresh arms were going to do the trick. I'd give it to DJ at this point.
Well, the other thing it'll do too is him having fresh arms. He may put a little too much pressure on it. You know. You know what this fish is doing right now. You got it. I'll do whatever you guys want to do, though.
Yo, D, if I let you get on here, you can't try to horse it, man.
And remember, it's going to be heavy as heck. Even just to give him a break for a little while.
Let me get a